So here's the O-ring. So this is the used one here. And if you measure this, it's about 112 thousandths. And if I measure the other way, up and down, how it's squashed, it's about 80 thousandths. I measure this way, about 80 thousandths. This measures about 96, 98 thousand. So if you take the width and the height of this and make it round again, I believe that's the same O-ring. This goes here. And the piston has a bevel hole there. And when the bolt goes there, it's a cone. And I have light through there. So it's going to squash. And this seal is here. It was all disintegrated when I took it apart. All in two pieces. And this is the new one. Goes on in one piece. There's an O-ring inside that. They called it. So here's the new seal. It's got an O-ring squeezed inside there. And it's just going to go on this like that. This was $60, that freaking seal. I found it. I got all the numbers. Maybe I can find one cheaper, but this piston goes all the way down inside here like this. All right, so the seal operates from here to here. And all that keeps this ram is this. It keeps the ram straight, is this collar. It keeps this ram straight. So every time you use this and this ram goes like this, that seal is rubbing on technically dry metal. You know, if you use it every day, it would be wet all the time. But if you use it once a year, all this will be dry, and you're going to push this rubber seal like that over dry metal. I guess that's why it fails. I mean, look at the lip on that. It's a double compression seal. It's lipped both ways. But